Welcome, guys. So 47 is what we want to solve today. But I got this problem is simple, so let me just take a picture and solve it. So x and y are be two random uniform distribution independent variable, and the probability the distance between x and y is less than half. So basically, this is x. There is square, right? This is x, this is y, and the probability between x and y is less than half. So you just ask about the area satisfied this property in this region, right? Let me change the color. So when x equal to 0, then y need to be smaller than half. So this is the y. And then when x equal to half, then when x equal to half, then y just then any y can satisfy this property because y is from 0 to 1. So this is the. So you can see when x increase, then the possibility for y increase, and which is linearly. So this is the shaded region. And then also x and y are symmetry, right? So when x equal to 1, then the y can only be need to be larger than 0.5. So when x equal to 1, y need to be larger than 0.5. Right, so this two green region is what we want to. The area of this green region is the answer. So the answer is 1 minus. This is half. This is half. So this area is 1/8. So we minus these two small triangle, and we get 3/4. Okay, so the answer is E. The answer is E. That's it.